Orient is celebrating its 75th anniversary in style, and today we're looking at one of the most exciting new additions to their lineup, the Orient Stretto. This isn't just another diver or bambino, it's a fresh take with strong vintage vibes, perfect for everyday wear. The Stretto takes inspiration from classic Japanese watches of the 1960s and 70s, think Seiko and Citizen of that era. It features an elegant elliptical 38mm case, obelisk hands, chamfered baton indices, and a framed date at 3 o'clock. Available in 3 standard versions, you can choose the radial blue dial on steel, a white dial with gold accents and two-tone case, or a brown sunburst with a rose gold bezel and leather strap. These proportions at 38mm hit that sweet spot for a modern, all-purpose daily watch. Flip it over and you'll find Orient's reliable caliber F6722 automatic movement, complete with hand-winding and hacking seconds. It offers dependable performance and keeps the watch firmly in the affordable mechanical category. With 50 meters of water resistance, a mix of steel bracelet or strap options, and sapphire caseback, it's practical and versatile. And here's the kicker. The Stretto retails for about $535 or $605 for the two-tone model, but Orient USA already has them listed with their typical 35% discount. That means you're looking at a stylish, heritage-inspired automatic watch for well under $400. Plus, there are limited anniversary editions with a grey-blue dial and red seconds hand on the way.